Having the right vacuum is one of the best ways to keep your home free from dust, allergens, and the occasional runaway Fruit Loop. But choosing the best style for your needs isn't always as straightforward as it could be. Here at Apt, one of the most frequently asked questions we get when it comes to vacuums is, what's the difference between a canister and an upright? So in this video, we're going to answer that for you. We'll start with the canister vacuum. A canister vacuum is basically two parts: the body, which houses the motor, and the bag or canister where the dirt is held, and the head, which is attached to the end of a hose. These are generally going to be lighter than an upright model, but even in the cases where the total weight is equal, it'll feel lighter because of how the weight is distributed, with most of it being in the canister portion. They'll also be quieter than an upright in a lot of cases, which is good to remember if you have anyone in your home that might be sensitive to loud noises. They're great for cleaning stairs because of their more compact size, and as a bonus, they also tend to offer more power, which comes in handy on bare floors. Plus, because the hose is always out, changing the accessories is quicker, which helps cut down on your total time spent cleaning. However, because of their design, they aren't quite as easy to store when you're done cleaning, and they can be a little more cumbersome to drag around your home, as they can get stuck on furniture more easily if you're not paying attention. Upright vacuums have more of an all-in-one design that makes them easy to bring around with you from room to room, typically only requiring one hand to use. They're also easy to store as they stand upright naturally, and you're not going to be wrangling a hose every time you go to put the vacuum away. They still have a hose in most cases that can be detached and used to clean harder to reach places, but when you're done cleaning, it'll tuck neatly back into the body of the vacuum. Plus, most upright vacuums have a wide cleaning path with a powered brush roll that will do a great job when it comes to cleaning carpets. So, which one is best for you? Well, if the floors in your home are mostly uncarpeted, you need something a little quieter, or you have lots of stairs, you'll likely be happier with a canister vacuum. If you've got a lot of carpeting, live on a single floor, or need something that's easy to store when you're finished cleaning, an upright model is going to be a great way to go. But don't forget, if you need any assistance finding the right model for your home, you can always give one of our vacuum experts a call at the number below. We're always happy to help. As always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.